Hi everyone, I am Dr. Shanti Tummala. I am member of Solid Waste Management Roundtable. We are in Swachhabadi Zero Waste Home. Let's see how a zero waste home should look. So this is how everyone should carry themselves. Have a cloth mask, have your own cloth bag, carry a water bottle wherever you go, and decorations, parties. You may have a birthday party in your house. You can avoid balloons. They don't get recycled. Have natural decorations with flowers. And everyone should have cloth bags for vegetables, fruits, groceries. Everything you buy outside, you can avoid plastics, single-use plastics. And straws. The best alternative for straw is actually no straw. But here we are showing a steel straw for someone who cannot drink without straw. Steel cutlery, you can avoid these spoons and have it with your hand. But for those who cannot have with hand, these are the steel cutlery you have to always carry with you. You can avoid single-use tissues. Why do we need tissues? We all can carry a hanky along with us. This is our kitchen. Beautiful kitchen. What all can be zero waste in this kitchen? Scrub, a cotton, natural coconut scrub, which goes back into the soil. It has come from nature and goes back into nature. These are soap nuts. Soap nuts can be used along with bioenzyme to clean our utensils. Soap nuts can also be used for washing hair, washing clothes, everything. It's a natural cleanser to avoid the dangerous chemicals. And carry your own water bottle wherever you go. I carry my own. And this is for food parcels. Whenever you want to get a food parcel from a restaurant, hotel, avoid single-use disposables by carrying your own boxes. So this box, wherever we go, we have this along with us. And this has everything in it. You want to have a cup of coffee, you want to eat something, there's a plate, and this is all. If everyone does this, there's no single-use disposables. You can avoid them totally. And cutlery, as I told, you can have a glass for coffee or tea and water. And now here we are in the bathroom. What is that we can avoid in the bathroom? We can avoid sanitary pads, which are so dangerous, and we can have cloth pads, and we can have a menstrual cup for women. Cloth pads are for girls and menstrual cup for women. And for babies, you can totally avoid disposable diapers, which are so harmful not only for the environment, for the health of the baby. So these are cloth diapers which can be reused again and again. And this is what our ancestors did. From where did we get this culture of disposables? Let's get rid of disposables and live a sustainable life. Look at this bioenzyme. Bioenzymes are homemade with citrus peels. And this can be used. This can replace your every cleanser in the house with chemicals. That is Harpic, Lysol, everything can be replaced with bioenzyme. And these are natural soaps which don't have chemicals. So this is how a zero waste home should look like, and live sustainably, save nature, and it will save you.